Greetings Diecast Racing fans, Sharky here and welcome back to Sharky's Garage. And this is not the video I planned to bring you today, and I'll get into that into a minute. So today we are going to deal with this, an unboxing of the HotWheels City expansion track pack. This was one of my Christmas presents, or rather a Yule present, from my brother and sister-in-law. My brother from another mother, Keldon Raven, and his lovely wife. Very good long-term friends of mine, and they bought me this. So I've been waiting to do an unboxing when I needed to have an episode to fill in between racing episodes. Before we get into it, don't forget to do the usual things, like, comment and subscribe. So before we get into the meat and potatoes of this, why are you seeing this now as opposed to episode 2 of the Blue Shootout? Well, I have to be honest, my mental health is in the sewer. I have been signed off with acute stress reaction, depression and seasonal affective disorder now since May of 2008. And my mental health is up and down, but at the moment, due to a set of circumstances, it is really not good at all. As a result of which, when I do a Diecast Racing video, there are between 60 and 70 individual elements that go into the video that you watch. So that's pictures, that's videos, that's all of that, plus music, plus all of that. And the actual editing work for that takes a lot of time, and it takes a lot of mental effort to get it so that it doesn't look absolutely pants. Whereas an unboxing video, like we're doing today, I can do in 7 to 10 elements. For a Diecast Racing video, you have the main camera, you have the finish line camera, you have my mobile phone where I take any pictures of any crashes. So that's 3 different camera points. The race details get entered into a spreadsheet, and the screenshots of that come from a tablet. So that's a 4th device. So that all gets edited on a 5th device that I have to upload all of those elements to and do all of that. Whereas I can do the whole of this video on one camera. I can take the photos for the thumbnails on here, I can take the video clips on here, and I can do it on here. And I know this is probably not what you wanted to see today, and I know it's probably not what you wanted to watch, and a lot of people will probably have clicked off by now, but I owe you an explanation, because I choose to explain to you, because many of you have been with me a very long time and have been very loyal followers and love my racing, and we're expecting racing today and you've not got it. So today the video is going up on the 4th of March. That's also my birthday. So yeah, another thing. I've been struggling for a few weeks. I will continue to try and get a video out every Monday and every Friday, because it gives me something to focus on and something to do. And I'm sorry if this is a little bit too emotional for you, but you know, honesty always. Anyway, getting into this here, we've got a blue car. Excellent. And at some point I'm sure this will get run down the track. So it's got multiple elements to this, and one of the things I really like is this bridge area. So in it there are 3 standard corners, the 2 bridge parts, 3 straights, another corner, the orange corner, and the square piece, which the square piece could have other interesting uses depending on whether that middle bit is permanently attached to it, because this could form like a wrestling ring type thing potentially for doing some sort of crash thing with. I can see a lot of potential with this. So that's what the track will form when that, and we're going to build it up and run things around it in a minute. It is fully integrated in, so it can be fitted into a lot of the other Hot Wheels city stuff. There's also a barcode there, or not a barcode, what's it called? QR code. On the back, ooh, lots of stuff in Japanese. City expansion pack. The locking system is slightly different, I think. I don't know how it interacts with normal Hot Wheels tracks, so we'll have to see whether that is something that will work or not. There's many different ways that we can actually put it together to interact it. I'm thinking that maybe something like this might work for jumps for the rally course, but you know, we will see. There it's showing some of the other optional things like a burger place and a garagey thing that you can add to it. It's a nice dragony and sort of monk, giant gorilla and a squid and a scorpion images. City extension pack, the car, and then obviously all of the things on the bottom here. Looking at some of this, I don't think this was originally designed for UK delivery, although it's got a UKCA on it. So anyway, now these boxes have one of these on the back, so that is for getting into it, to rip open the back and leave it all in there. So I'm going to do that now and come back to you. Right, so I'll push this in, work my way along there, up to the corners, which means we can open the back up. We have, oh, excellent. We've got some stickers, which are sellotaped on, which can be used. Let me just take that off the back there. So we have Hot Wheels stickers, traffic lights, little ones, so they're going to be useful. You'll probably see those around Vulcan Raceway. Instructions go over the contents, talks about where the stickers should go, either side of the bridges, and on the lollipop and on the traffic lights. Some sort of track design ideas, interactions. So instructions, mode to employ, instructions. So let's put that to one side. We have Hot Wheels City, very colourful. I'm guessing a little brochure, yeah, showing some of the other sets you can pick up. And the burger joint, multi-story, other tracks. This looks to be the most normal of them. The rest of them all look very, very colourful, so less useful for me for diorama reasons. So put that to one side. And then we've got the parts itself. We have this centrepiece, which has a bridge on it. Interesting. We could definitely run 4 into here. Because I think we could put a standard track connectors into those, which would allow, okay, could use this for a crash thing. That might be interesting. So there's that. We have one corner which has some wheels on it, one corner that has stickers, 2 corners that have stickers. Now these just drop together, I think, like so. So without track connectors. So we've got those. Got part 1 of the bridge, which reminds me a lot of the Dunlop bridge because it looks like a tyre. But they will, I think, click together and click into there. I won't do that just yet. We've got a piece with some chunks out. We've got the central rotundi sign to go in the middle of here. We've got the traffic lights to go on here. We've got 2 more straight pieces of track. So 2 straights, 3 straights, one's got the chunks out of. Oh! And then we've got a straight that has wibbly wobbly bits on it. So it can be whatever angle you want. That might be quite useful as well, because we could do, whether you can see that, we can do S shapes, we can do curves, we can do tight curve that way. But I like the idea of doing that. That might be quite useful. Cool. And then we've got the car up the top here, which I'll break out and come back to you in a second. So this is the car, which will go into my fleet. Let's see if we can read what it says on the bottom here. It's a fast fish. Okay. So I will put this together and come back to you. So there it is, all put together. I haven't clicked the tyre in yet or the traffic lights or put the stickers on, but I think because of the linkages it will work. These just click together, so you just literally pull them apart like so. You can see the ends here and they just push in to there like that. It's an awesome gift. Thank you very, very much. Thank you to you all for watching. And hopefully next week we'll be back to the Diecast Racing with episode 2, which is Group A of the Blue Car Shootout.